The opportunities for a business to have inclusive PPE is confidence and morale in your workforce. PPE business is a business of the person, and therefore you want to have, the staff want to have confidence that their employer is looking after their basic needs and their safety. Examples I can think of: the police force needing to have good fitting PPE for the police that are on the beat, as well as within our organisation we have people of various ranges of sizes that are asking for often different fitting and size requirements on a case-by-case basis for their protection of chemical workwear. Respirex approaches inclusivity by understanding that the risks of industry can be quite bespoke. So our business is really looking at first the risk that our clients are undergoing, and then we design the PPE around the customer's requirements to protect them against that specific risk. Inclusive PPE is worth the investment because we have to get away from the understanding that there is this one-size-fits-all philosophy in sourcing PPE. An organisation will need to take into account all their employees' needs and then approach the market looking for how best that risk that the employee is going to be involved in can be mitigated, whether it is looking at various types of PPE to create an ensemble, or whether it is working with notified bodies and manufacturers to design a PPE that will be best fit for their staff. PPE must be accessible and inclusive, as it is a business of the person. So a PPE that is not fitting does not protect. Therefore, if you are purchasing PPE that is not fitting any member of your staff, you are not going to be protecting that member of staff. What inclusivity is trying to capture is that individuals need to be catered for on a case-by-case basis for the fit of PPE.